Hello, I'm Richardo. This time I want to show you disassembly and USB booting setting for the LG Gram 15ZD960-GX30K laptop computer. Right? Okay, this is specification of this laptop computer. Okay, the CPU is mounted under this laptop. Which is the Intel i3 6100U 2.3 GHz. Okay, this product name is Skylake, and then the memory is the DDR3L. This the low voltage 4 GB is mounted. Okay, then you can add 8 GB more in the socket. Then the storage is the M.2, the 2280 size. The capacity is the 180 GB. Okay, aspect ratio is the wide 69. Okay, and then graphic is the onboard or built-in the CPU HD 520. Right? Okay, let's move. Okay, this is the open the display. Okay. Alright, this is the 70 keys and then the full size keyboard. Okay, this is the bottom side of the LG this laptop computer. Okay. Okay, this is the label for this computer. Right. This is the product year is the 2016. Right? Okay, there are 8 screws in the bottom side. Okay, totally 8 screws. Right. Most of all, in this side, firstly, rubber need to be taken off. And then this round cover need to be removed. Then you can see the one screw, right? And then this position. Okay, the round cover need to be removed. Then you can see the screw, right? So totally 8 screws. And then you need to caution for this small cover. The area is the hinge side, right? So you need to remove the possible two side, right? Okay. As you can see, after removing the bottom cover, now you see that the parts of this laptop computer, right? Okay. This is the battery. Okay. Then this is the speaker, right? Then this is M.2 SSD, right? This is the cooling fan, right? Then this is the networking module, right? This is the memory socket for the additional capacity. And okay, this is the right side for the input-output port. Okay. This is the left side port, input-output port, right? Okay, let me introduce in detail the next thing. Okay, as you can see, this is the black part is the battery. The rate voltage the 70.77. Then the 34.60 watt hour. Okay. And then this is the built-in right speaker. The right speaker, the output is the 1 watt. That's small. Okay. And this is the built-in left speaker. Okay. The watt is the same with the left right speaker. Right. This is the M.2 SSD. Okay, this capacity is the 180 gigabyte. Okay, the size is the 2280. Right, this is the made by Intel. Intel SSD. Okay, this is the additional memory. Right, the socket, RAM socket. Right. Okay. And then this is the cooling fan. This is the cooling fan for the this CPU. Right, need to be removing dusty. Right. This is the LVDS cable. It can be connected to the display. Right. Then you can see in the left side the I/O input output port. Right. Okay. This is the I/O input output in the right side. Okay. This part is the networking module for the 802.11 AC. Okay. Wi-Fi 5. Right. Okay. Okay, this is the remove from the board the cooling fan, right? Okay, there are so many dust in the cooling fan, so it need to be removed. Okay, this area, the cooling fan, right? Okay, this is the CPU, CPU, okay, with the thermal grease. Right. Okay, this is the remove the thermal grease. Then remove the M.2 SSD. This area. Okay, this is the inner side of bottom case. Okay. Okay, let's just take a look for the how to set the USB booting for this laptop, right? Then firstly, click the boot icon in the BIOS menu. Okay, in the system configuration, need to be set some item. The USB legacy support is on, then UEFI boot is off, then legacy OS boot is on, right? Okay, then in the edit boot order, the USB hard is placed to the first priority. Okay. Then the save all setting, right? Okay. That's all. Thank you for watching this movie.